Ladies and gentlemen, my humble greetings to all of you. Today I would like to share a new video. The title of that video is Just 3 Keys to Reach Your Destiny. Let me begin this topic with a question to all of you. Do you want to program your mind and hack your body to stay full energy, with full energy and perform all your activities throughout the day effectively? This is my question. If you say yes, then I would recommend that you must watch this video fully. Okay, let me go to my business. The biggest obstacles to get success in the modern society is fall into track of going on autopilot, to be walking dead and to do things whatever everybody else are doing. Most of us are too busy with responding and reacting to unnecessary questions and unnecessary issues. Because of that, they are losing their focus on their own important actions. In your actions, when you forget to stay focused, you will lose. In your activities, most of the people are forgetting their goals. So, we should be always very conscious. You should be always conscious in your daily decisions. Then only that will help you to make all of you to take the most appropriate decisions to reach your goal. What are the goals in general? I ask you, what are your goals? Do you want to be healthy? Do you want to be a wealthy person? Or you want to be very fittest, lowering your weights? Is it your goal? Do you want to own your dream home? Or do you want to own a dream car? Do you want to keep a good relationship in your family? Do you want to build up a strong relationship with your friends and relatives? Or more precisely, I ask you, do you want to live a dream life? If I ask this question, every one of you would say that, yes, I want to live a dream life. So in that case, you have to take immediate action. You have to start taking actions very consciously. If you don't take actions very consciously and you cannot think about your goal or a dream of your life, it is not possible. And I suggest you there are 3 keys to get success in your life. The first key is writing down your goals. Second key is building a powerful belief system. Third one is invest in yourself. These are the 3 important keys I suggest you, recommend you. Let us go one by one. Every day morning, after waking up, you have to write down your goals. list out the goals. After listing out the goals, you circle the most important goal you want to achieve in your life. You circle it. After that, you have to ask yourself a question. What kind of actions I have to do every day in order to make myself to move very closer to my goal? This is the question you have to ask yourself. Then you will be ascertaining what are the actions to be taken, and you have to write down the actions. After writing down the actions to be taken today or every day, then you have to find out at least 2 important actions, and you have to circle them. Circle 1 and 2. That are 2 important actions. Then you have to start doing those actions. You should never stop doing those actions until those actions are completed in a particular day. So until the actions are done, you should never stop. You have to do continuously. Okay? This is the most powerful, this is an extremely powerful method, because in everyday morning you are writing the goals, you are rewriting the goals, you are reading the goals and rereading the goals, and automatically rereading and rewriting the goals again and again and again and again. That will keep you focused on your goals always. That is the most important thing, and that help you will be getting when you are writing down those goals. So that is the first key. Let us move on to second key. Building a powerful belief. Many people, they don't have faith on themselves, they don't have belief on their ability. The ignorance of ability leads to disability. So everybody should aware that what is their ability, and if they don't aware of that ability, naturally that ignorance will lead to disability. Many of the people, one thing is common. One thing is common among all the successful people. What is that common one? What is that one? All the successful people are doing their work with full of confidence. They are doing their work with full of confidence, and they strongly believe in themselves. Whether they believe in others or not, they believe strongly in themselves. Whatever they are doing, they don't afraid of doing, and they don't afraid of saying it. So they don't afraid of doing it or saying it, because they have a strong belief in themselves. If you don't believe in yourself, though you believe in thousands of gods, you cannot get success in your life. I am not saying this. This is said by Swami Vivekananda. According to him, superstition means those who believe only God and not believing in themselves. They are the superstitious people. That's what Swami Vivekananda said. That is the great superstition, according to Swami Vivekananda. Those people who walk with the help of their legs, they would reach their destination. But those people, those who walk and move with the help of their brains, they will reach the destiny. This is the simple difference between reaching destination and reaching destiny. Whether you want to reach the destination means moving from one place to another place, that's all. But Destiny means that is the eternal. So you will reach the destiny means you will reach the eternal of life. You will get everything there. So we must always try to change our destiny, or we must always try to reach our destiny, not destination simply. Okay. So therefore, being consciousness constantly, being consciousness constantly will help all the way to every one of you, because you are always thinking about constantly about your goal, and one day you will achieve that goal successfully. That will be because of your conscious actions. So framing the goal consciously and acting for that consciously definitely will help you to achieve the goal surely. So that is the second one. Then let us move on to third one. Third one is invest in yourself. What we are going to invest and how to invest, where to invest. Imagine for this moment, one layman is meeting a very intelligent person or a wise man. That layman is asking to the wise man, I want to invest. Or he says that, what is the best possible investment? Someone want to invest. That layman is asking the wise man. The wise man has to give an answer. He gave an answer. He gave an answer which was very, very simple, sharp, short, and sweet. What he said? He said to the layman, you just invest in yourself. So investing in myself, he asked. So what do you mean by investing in yourself? Maybe money or maybe time. You have to invest first in yourself. So how to invest and what to invest, where to invest, that is the matters we are going to discuss further. Just to pay up the fees for going to being a member of the gym. Go to gym and work hard there. Work out there, spending time, not only paying fees, spend the time and work out there. Automatically you will get energy every day. That energy what you get by way of your workout will keep you the entire day very actively. You will be very active throughout the day, and all the health problems what you are facing, and you can prevent any kind of disease which may come to you in the future, because every day you are working out in the gym. So you are spending your time and you are spending few money, very little money, and but you can enjoy your life. So that is the important thing, that investment. Then eat a good food. What do you mean by eating good food? Many people like to eat only tasty food, and we cannot compromise with eating a tasty food with a healthy food. That is the perception of many people. But instead of eating tasty food, it is better to eat healthy food. You have to be very conscious and cautious whatever you put in your mouth. Whatever the item you eat, you must be very cautious. Many troubles would come only because of the wrong food. Mind it. Don't eat much, don't eat less, but eat proper food, not tasty food, but healthy food. That is the second one, and you must be very cautious about it. Then start reading books. Many people buy books But only very few people, those who complete reading of those books cover to cover. Majority of the peoples, they don't start reading at all. Some of them would read the book, but they would keep those books incomplete. But they would buy books. Very interestingly, they would buy books, but they don't complete reading of those books. But this problem may not arise nowadays, because reading of those books may be creating some problem to our eyes, that there will be some strain to our eyes. But now all the books are available in the audio form. So audio books, you can buy audio books, you can subscribe audio books, you can simply listen those books by closing your eyes and listen simply, and there won't be any strain to your eyes. Lighting is not necessary, so you can listen hours together. So you have to read books, good books, at least audio books. If you study for 1 hour every day, particularly if you study a subject or a field what you are connected with for 1 hour, if you spend 1 hour, if you invest 1 hour time every day, after 3 years you will be the toppest man in your field, in your subject. Within the period of 7 years, you will become a national authority in your field, because you are spending every day 1 hour. So if you spend 1 hour time for 7 years, in the 7 years period of time, you will become a national authority in your subject. And if you spend 10 years spending every day 1 hour reading books related to your subject, naturally you will become you will be the one of the best person in the world in your field. So that is the case. Therefore, read every day at least 1 hour. Okay. Coming to other aspect, very important thing where you can invest. You have to keep your pen and papers as your close friends always. Because the best idea may be popping up in your mind in the least appropriate times. At that time, immediately you have to jot it down with the help of the pen in your notepad. So you have to keep notepad and your pen as your best friends always. Whenever you leave your home, going out, you take. You don't go without the pen and notepad. When you are attending a meeting, you attend a meeting with a pen and notepad. Whatever the ideas popping up in your mind, whatever the ideas you are getting from others, immediately jot it down in the notepad with the help of your pen. You cannot remember those important points, those important ideas with the help of your mind, with the help of your brain, because don't remember, you will never remember, and your mind will never help you, but this notepad will help you to recollect those important ideas. So therefore, you have to jot it down immediately whenever the new ideas popping up in your mind. That is the very important thing, and that is not a difficult task. Everybody should do, and very simple to do. Okay. And you have to learn every day. It is different from studying reading. Learn a new skill. Learn a new skill once in a month. So every month you put a target that I have to learn a new skill. In 1 year, you will be having the stock of 12 skills with you. Learn a new word every day. Is it a difficult one? You can learn. Learn a new word every day. Automatically in 365 days, you would be having knowledge about new 365 words. And you can compare yourself after 1 year. What is your position now and where you were in the past before taking these actions, where you were in the past, how you are now, where you are now, and you can also compare where you are now and where you will be in the next year, because you are continuously, consciously, you are making these actions. Definitely there will be a growth. Definitely there will be a growth. Nobody can prevent you from your growth. You will grow automatically and you will strengthen your knowledge. So this is another important thing. And very important thing is next one. I have mentioned about so many aspects, but you have to give a time for your own self. Do something for yourself. Do something for yourself in the sense you have to give a break. I don't insist that you should always work hard. Always you have to dedicate your life. You may need relaxation. Definitely. Everybody needs relaxation. Once in a month or once in a week even, you can relax yourself. Relax yourself in the sense you can take a break. You are working seriously by making a plans and by putting a goals consciously, and you are taking actions. So in the meantime, you need a break. You give a break. Whatever you want to do, something may be fun, you do. Something what you most like, what you like most, you can do. That will give a break to your regular activities. And so if at all you want to go to a party with your friends, go to a party and relax yourself. Relaxation. And if at all you want to go to a place where you can enjoy really, you go to that place. But come again. When you come again, you will be rejuvenated. And you will get extra vigor to work more, to work very actively. Therefore, you do something for yourself by way of getting relaxation. That is also very important. Now I am almost going to close. Before closing, I would like to tell me only one rule. What is the rule? You have to follow whatever I have mentioned, whatever the 3 keys, you have to follow. Then another rule, you have to follow those rules very sincerely and strictly. And keep on, keeping on, and keeping on and on continuously. Definitely, you will be reaching your desired destiny. This is Markandayan signing out till we meet again through another video. Thank you so much.